something. Maybe a ladyfish. What the hell is that? It's a trout. Sand trout. Another big sand trout, man. Man, good size out here. Oh man, I got something good. Oh, don't let it be up. Over. Be a drum. Come on, baby. Whatever it is, it's big. Piece of ladyfish on this one. Never had good luck with ladyfish bait. But this one sure liked it. Come on. Come on. Gonna have to be a catch and release if it's an oversized red. Oh man, it's going way over there. Don't get tangled up on the kayak. Get over there. Going towards the anchor. Come on. Oh. That's great. What are you? What are you? I think it's. Whoa. That's gonna be an oversized red, I bet. Bull red. Too big, I think, to be a trout. Too fast to be a drum. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Whoa, man. That is one big red. I saw the spot on him, but he is huge. Look at that thing. Whoa. 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 Beautiful red. Look at that thing. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Woo, there's that piece of ladyfish he bit on. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Catch and release, buddies. Those are the rules, so let's see how big he is anyway, though. Oh my gosh, that's just beautiful red. Look at that. Big old tail. Yeah, look at that thing. Look at that huge red. Oh man, he's tired. That's all right. If he gets off, he's gonna go free anyway. Let me just get some video of him and pictures. Oh man, good guy. How about that? He gotta be about 33, maybe. Beautiful. Better hurry up with him. All right. Oh boy. Yeah, you got that hook pretty far in there. All right. Let's see how big he is at least. Oh my God. Let's see how big he is. Come on, buddy. We'll let you go in a little bit. Let's see how big you are. Ah, oh my God. Oh, he is at 32 and a quarter. Oh boy, look at that baby. 32 and a quarter. You all saw it. Oh my God, look at that beautiful red. All right, buddy, we need to let you go here. Let me give you some water to. All right, we're gonna turn him loose. We just gotta get that hook out of him, and we'll get back to show you the